The front is moving through. Temperatures have been quickly dropping up to our north, and that is all pushing south. Even at the airport, temperatures have been falling. Still under mostly cloudy skies. Rain is gone, and we did see some showers, a couple of thunderstorms around. 67 degrees our current temperature at Kennerwood, dew points in the 60s, so it's still on the more humid side, but that drier air is also pushing south. We're also starting to see more breaks in the clouds that should continue for the late evening and overnight hours, which will also help to cool things off. Rain is gone. May have a few little lingering showers in southern Mississippi, but we did see a decent little soaking in a few spots and picked up 0.17 of an inch at Kenner, breaking our 22-day streak of no rainfall. Still not much rain for the month of November, and again, adding that to what little rain we saw in October. It has been a fairly dry couple of months, but at least we did see a few showers around. Now, today's high was 77, and the early morning low, this was at 2:28, was 64 degrees. We're going to be colder than that before midnight tonight, so that is the low as of now, but the new low will be wherever the temperature falls just before 12 o'clock, as temperatures are going to be dropping steadily through the late evening and especially during the overnight. So if you're going to be headed out later tonight, but maybe jacket or a sweater, because the colder air is still moving in thanks to strong northerly winds, which at the moment are pretty brisk. So chilly later tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. High temperatures likely staying in the 60s through the afternoon. Our lunar eclipse is tonight, but late night after 1 a.m. and we are going to start warming up very quickly this weekend. First though, I want to show you the eclipse because it'll get started at about 1:18 when you'll start to see the partial shadow of the Earth moving over the moon. Then as we continue through the night, the peak for us is at around 3 o'clock in the morning. That's when most of Earth's shadow will be covering up the moon, 97% of it, so almost a near total. The entirety of the eclipse will last about 3.5 hours. This is the longest eclipse we'll see of the entire century. The end comes about just before 5 a.m. and then continuing to clear out after that. So if you do want to see it, you have to stay up late or get up early overnight tonight. The only issue may be this southwesterly flow that is keeping in a little bit of cloud cover. It does look like we should continue to see clearing. Just how much clearing is the big question. The colder air definitely moving in thanks to our front, the upper trough bringing in that surge of colder air. However, we start to see a rebound this weekend with high temperatures getting into the 70s, maybe near 80 degrees by Sunday before the next front. This second front even colder with a surge of very cold air moving into much of the southeast. You see these light purple colors? You're looking at 20s to teens across much of the Ohio Valley and pushing down south. This is going to be a very chilly air mass for us. Does it last up to Thanksgiving? Probably not, because it looks like after temperatures behind the second front bottom out on Tuesday of next week, we will start warming up. So right now, Thanksgiving Day is looking not warm, but also not cool. So temperatures tomorrow staying in the 60s, gradually climbing into Sunday, bottoming out during the day on Monday behind that second stronger front. Tuesday morning, we may see our first freeze on the North Shore and then getting back into the low 70s for Thanksgiving Day.
All right, Chris, thank you very much.